When it comes to your car's windshield, you deserve nothing but the best. And that's exactly what we offer at Las Vegas Express Auto Glass. We are the top-rated mobile auto glass service in Las Vegas, providing fast, reliable, and expert windshield repair and replacement. Wherever you are, our certified technicians come straight to you. Whether you're at home, work, or even out on the road, we'll have your windshield looking brand new in no time. From minor chips to complete replacements, we handle it all using top-quality materials and offer same-day service to get you back on the road safely. Why settle for anything less? Trust the best. Call Las Vegas Express Auto Glass today at 702-832-5996 or visit our website at lasvegasexpressautoglass.com to schedule your service. Las Vegas Express Auto Glass, the #1 mobile auto glass service in Las Vegas. We're here to keep you safe wherever you are.